Man, I hope this works. Hey, we're with Res Live. Can we ask you a few questions?
Sure.
What made you decide to go to OSU?
The commute is a lot shorter. I'll be closer to my family, and I'm only going into business, so I didn't see any. Let's go, Bob! So yeah, originally I was coming just for the commute, but like, it's America's brightest storm, the brightest storm.
Are you going to Lakeland next Thursday?
I don't know. I've never been.
God, you have to, man. It's the greatest. Can I plug in here for real fast? It's okay. I don't have to be there.
And I'm making so many great friends, like you and that's what I'm talking about. But like,
This is the greatest campus in the world.